Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with LendingTree to compare investment mortgages. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start, open your web browser and navigate to the LendingTree website. Once you're on the home page, look for the mortgage section in the main menu. Click on the mortgage section to explore available options. On the mortgage page, locate the Compare Investment Mortgages button. Click on the button to initiate the comparison process. You will be prompted to enter some basic information about yourself. Fill in the required fields, including your name, email address, and phone number. After completing your personal information, here, specify the type of mortgage you are interested in. Choose investment mortgage. Next, you will need to enter details. Provide information regarding your income, credit score, and desired loan amount. Review the information you've entered to ensure everything is accurate. Once confirmed, click the Get Quotes button to receive personalized mortgage offers. LendingTree will then generate a list of options from various lenders. Take your time to review each offer carefully. Compare interest rates, terms, and other features to find the best fit for your needs. Once you've made your choice, select the lender you want to proceed with. Follow the prompts to complete the subscription process with that lender. Confirm your application by providing any additional documentation as required. Wait for the lender to review your application and get back to you. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.